You ready?
My shoes.
Which way, Bab? Down there?
That way.
Here's our car. The car that's going to plunge off a cliff. I'm scared. Need to be in the right lane. They're not letting me in. Where? Can I go now?
Fuck me. Go.
Down here.
No, that one.
What?
That one. That one. Fuck. Oh my god.
Huh?
What you got?
Sponge.
Yummy.
So this is Huesca. Oh, this is nice. Is that a bull ring?
Nice. Oh, it might be actually.
Watch it, Diego. Es un gran día. Very peaceful. It's nice. Should we zip boy down? Test it out. Oh, it's still going. It's still going. Here's our spot. Took ages for us to find even ground, but here it is. No fires allowed, so we are allowed to camp. And there's the river. Oh, beautiful. Might have a spot of fishing in the morning.
So what are we doing, Tam?
We're cooking pasta
Mm.
with the lighter that we just borrowed off two gay men over there. Absolute miracle. Yeah.
Yep.
I left the tent poles, the structural poles, in my garage, so we've got no tent. My back's permanently arched.
You'll have to keep the driving seat like that. Found a wild Tom. delicious. Is that a lake?
Yeah. Okay. Lidl for a new tent.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah. Spain. Verity's driving in a foreign country for the first time ever.
Oh.
That's it. Into first. Handbrake still on, darling.
Shit.
You
Oh
know,
god, I was about to change gear, but I'm still on the side.
get on the right hand lane, Bab.
Oh my god.
Oh dear, that's not good for the gearbox. And if we just find a spot, and if we pull in over there. I'm afraid on this occasion you failed your driving test.
Is there anything that I can do so I do pass?
You've passed. You've passed. Yeah.
Thanks.
Pamplona, Pamplona. Can you find anywhere to camp? Ooh.
So what's the plan?
The plan is go back to our car, drive further in next to a park, set up our tent in a park, buy some beers, drink the beers, cook our food, wash our pots and pans, go into Pamplona, absorb the atmosphere and drink more, go back to the tent and sleep.
See.
Thinking of there somewhere. Right only.
Oh,
No.
no. I have to go right.
What are we thinking?
Good.
Do you reckon?
Find somewhere pretty hidden.
Night time, I don't think anyone's going to be here. I don't think anyone will bother us. We won't care when we've had a few cervezas.
What's for dinner time?
Well, I thought it was chicken soup, but turns out it's just chicken stock. So, you know, we've got beers, but chicken stock for soup, for dinner. What do you think of this chicken stock, Verity?
Tragic.
It's awful. It's quenching my thirst, but I'm going to chuck it away. You want it? Do you want it?
Just I can't put
You're
it
thirsty,
down.
are you? Okay. Look. How's that going to fill you up?
What's going on, Tom?
Gas is gone. Let's go home. I've had enough. Okay. Plan C. What have we got? We've got Pringles, anchovy, olives. Very Moorish. 2 tins of tuna. We got bread. Got these. We're fine. Plan C.
Most importantly,
There's the
San
important
Miguel.
thing. It's going to help us forget this whole charade. With the help of that. Look at this. There's loads of people about. Close one.